Hello and welcome to the Bullish Money YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about silver. Silver is a pain in the ass, and I say that because it is just so hard to forecast, so hard to analyze. Now, out of curiosity, I pulled up the actual spot price that is traded on the COMEX, the COMEX spot price. I downloaded the data. And by the way, before I get into that topic, I gotta say, Kitco.com is equally a pain in the ass, because I know that they have the charts and I know that they have the data, but they won't let you download the damn data. I mean, why can't I download the data? You'll show me the data on a picture, on a JPEG file, but you won't let me download the data as an actual text. It doesn't make any sense, because every other financial resource allows you to download their data if they actually have data to show. And you guys, Kitco, you guys have data, but you won't, let me download it unless I pay you like $500 for your premium service. I mean, what the crap is that? $500 for some premium service just so I can download spot price charts? I mean, I want to do some actual analysis and services for the general public regarding the precious metals market. And Kitco, you guys are making it a lot more difficult than it has to be. Please, you shouldn't even charge money for spot price historical data. Really, you should, because there's nothing proprietary about spot price history. Nothing proprietary at all. It's just a list of prices, right? It's not like that the prices are proprietary to you, that you have copyright protection on prices. No, it's just a bunch of stupid data. It's guys like me that actually do perform original analysis on these numbers and then present them in a unique and proprietary way. So I don't understand what the big deal is, Kitco. You guys should open up that vault and make the price charts free. Anyways, I think there's a website called bullionvault.com. They do have free spot price data going back, I believe, 20 years for both gold and silver. So I downloaded the one for silver and ran my probability analysis. If you don't know what I'm talking about, please refer to my articles on Investor Place Media. Please also refer to my articles on Future Money Trends. And please also refer to some of the videos posted on this channel. Anyways, I ran the probability analysis and I recognized that around this time, we should have a 75%, well, maybe not so high, but yeah, pretty high probability, about 70 to 75% odds that the silver market should be higher. Instead, it started to go lower, started to kind of keel over. Now, it's still holding a baseline of support, so I don't think it's going to dramatically fall down, but it has gone down when the probability said that it should go higher. And usually when you have, I've done these, I've done a litany of analyses using probability systems and probability algorithms. And typically when you have something that's higher than 70% chance that it's going to move higher, it usually does move higher. And so this is one of those rare instances where it just tanked. It went, the sentiment, I guess, went awry. And a lot of silver investors may be wondering, why did it go awry? I have no idea. Okay, it's just the precious metals. It's just one of those things. I hesitate to write too much about silver simply because it has proven to be such a unpredictably dynamic environment, and this isn't just another example. But I go into some granular details on an article that I wrote for Future Money Trends, and it should be posted on Monday. So 2 days from today, from when this video was actually produced. Anyways, I go into some detailed analyses where, even though the probability said that the market should be higher, it has gone down. But there are cyclical market returns, meaning that when you look at technical chart, a technical price chart, you see the historical performance of that stock itself. But the other question, the key question is, based on that performance, how did the market perform a certain amount of time in the future? That chart, which is, I guess you would call it a forward-looking chart, that probability often shifts in a cyclical format. And right now, the probability, the technical aspect of the probability sentiment is at a very low point. And because, again, I said because it is a cyclical pattern, it does suggest that in several months from now, that probability cycle will then move higher. And if it does, that could bode very well. And for silver, for gold, for the entire precious metals complex. So my opinion on this matter, and right now it's just opinion, but I wouldn't give up on it. I really would not give up on it. I think there's a lot of interesting things, little very granular detailed crap that's going on, but interesting. And I think they do form a foundation for bullish speculation. So I would say hold on to it. Let's see what happens in the future. It could be a very bright future for precious metals investors.